Hello everyone. Now we are with No For Sure GK book of class 2 of AP syllabus. I hope you have seen my previous videos also. Let's start with EV3 syllabus. Now capital cities, page number 53. Tina and Noe are visiting some capital cities of the world. Look at the pictures and name the cities. Number 1. This is the capital of France. Tina and Noe are here to see the Eiffel Tower. They are in Paris. Paris, Paris. Number 2. The twosome is amazed to see the Bird's Nest Stadium. This was the main venue for the 2008 Olympics. They are in Beijing. Beijing, Beijing. Number 3. Tina is clicking a photo of the White House. The President of the United States of America lives here. They are in Washington, D.C. Number 4. Tina and Noe are visiting the capital city of Egypt. The famous Pyramid of Giza is located here. They are in Cairo, Cairo. Number 5. They can hear the Big Ben's melodious chime. This is the capital of England. They are in London. Now, famous people. Do you know these famous people from the world of entertainment? Choose your answers from the help box given below. Number 1 is Alia Bhatt. Number 2 is Leonardo DiCaprio. You can copy the spelling from the downside from the box. Number 3 is Amir Khan. Look at and recognize. Number 4 is Katrina Kaif. Number 5 is Karan Johar. Number 6 is Angelina Jolie. Number 6 is Johnny Depp. Number 7 is Rohit Shetty. And number 8 is Angelina Jolie. Remember this? Angelina Jolie is here. And number 9 is A.R. Rahman. Now this is story time. Read the clues given below to identify popular fairy tales. This is the story of a princess with long hair who is locked in a tower is Rapunzel. Number 2. This is the story of how a princess and a frog who was actually a prince became friends. The Frog Prince. Number 3. This is the story of a shoemaker who is hired by elves to make shoes. This is the elves and the shoemaker. Number 4. In this story, a girl has to pass a test given by a princess mother to see if she is a real princess. Answer is the princess and the pea. And number 5 is this is the story of a little bird who is thought ugly by all other birds. But at the end of the story, he discovers that he is a beautiful swan. This is Ugly Duckling. Now next is Wonderful Inventions, page number 59. Now the inventions are here. J.L. Baird invented television. You should remember that inventions have made our life easier and more comfortable. Match the following to help Noe identify the inventors of these famous inventions. J.L. Baird invented television. Charles Babbage invented computer. Thomas A. Edison invented electric bulb. Alexander G. Bell invented telephone. And Carl Benz invented car. Now let us see next page number 60. Answer each question with a number. How many faces does a dice have? It's 6. How many colors are there in the Indian flag? Answer is 4. How many candies make a dozen? 12 things make a dozen. How many runs make a century? So 100 runs make a century. How many years are there in a silver jubilee? There are 25 years in a silver jubilee. Number 6. How many zeros follow the 1 in one leg? 5 zeros. Number 7. How many minutes make an hour? That is 60 minutes. Number 8. How many squares are there on a chessboard? There are 64 squares. How many days make a fortnight? 14 days make a fortnight. How many months in a year have 31 days? So 7 months have 31 days. How many babies make a triplet? That is 3 babies make a triplet. How many teeth does an adult human have? Adult human have 32 teeth. Now tidbits. Ancient Egyptians developed the art of counting large numbers by using pictographs or picture symbols. For example, the number 1000 was shown by a picture of a lotus flower, means one lotus is equal to 1000. And the number 2000 was shown by a picture of 2 lotus flowers growing out of a bush. Now let us see page number 61, animals in danger. Animals which are at risk of being extinct are called endangered animals. Let us read about some species which may become extinct if we do not try to save them. Number 1 is Bengal tigers are found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, China, Myanmar and Bhutan. They are threatened by hunting for their skin, skull, bones and whiskers. Number 2 is chimpanzees are very much like humans and care for their children for years. They are in danger due to hunting and loss of their forest homes. Polar bears are found throughout the Arctic region and spend most of their lives on the ice of the Arctic Ocean. They are at risk due to climate change and illegal hunting. Now quick quiz. When an entire species or a type of animal dies out, that species become extinct. Can you identify these animals which do not exist anymore? This is dinosaur. Number 2, this is dodo. And number 3 is mammoth. Now, water for life. The water on earth is constantly recycled. It falls on the land as rain and snow. Then it is carried by the rivers or groundwater to the oceans. From there, it rises as water vapor and falls back on earth again. This process is called the water cycle. As sun heats the water, water goes up, then becomes a cloud, then after comes down in the form of rain. So let us see the questions. The water on the earth is constantly recycled. The water of the sea is salty and cannot be used for drinking. Number 3. Water falls on land as rain and snow. Now next page is page number 63 by the rivers. Fill in the blocks to name these rivers on word or words related to rivers given below. Number 1 is river which carries the largest amount of water is called Amazon. Amazon. Number 2, the longest river in India is the Ganga. Ganga. Number 3, the two sides of a river are called its banks. 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 Number 4, when a river overflows, it causes floods. 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 Number 5, the soil along a riverbed is very fertile. 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 There are some famous cities named the river that flows by them. Choose your answers from the help box. Agra is situated on the river Yamuna. London is situated on the bank of river Thames. Varanasi is situated on the bank of Ganga. Cairo is situated on the river bank of Nile. Nasik is situated on the river bank Godavari and Paris is situated on the river bank Seine. Now let's see page number 64, days to celebrate. Help knowing identify the names of the special days we celebrate. Fill in the blocks from the help box given below. Number 1. On 22 March, we promise to save water. That is Water Day. Spelling is here. Number 2. On 5 September, we celebrate Dr. S. Radhakrishnan's birthday and thank our teachers. That is Teachers' Day. Number 3. On 14 November, we celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. That is Children's Day. Number 4. On 31st May, we remind ourselves about the bad effects of tobacco use. That is No Tobacco Day. On 22nd April, we show thankfulness to our planet. That is Earth Day. You can copy the spelling from here. Now tidbits. India got independence from the British on 15th August, which we celebrate as Independence Day. Now page number 65. Let us see gadgets. Identify the gadgets and fill in the blanks. Number 1. Sonia's family is going for a picnic. They have lost their way. Her father checks their location and finds the correct route by using, that is GPS. Number 2. Sonia reads all her favorite books on her Kindle, Kindle Kindle. This way she does not have to spend money on buying printed books. Number 3. Sonia's father uses his tablet to do office work, video chat with clients, and even watch films on his larger display screen. Number 4. Sonia's family is going on holiday. She is not sure of the clothes and other things she should pack. Her father checks the weather application on his new smartphone. Now page number 66, bones and muscles. Let us understand. There are 3 kinds of bones: long bones, short bones and flat bones. Our legs and arms have long bones. Our ankle, our wrist have short bones. Ribs and shoulders have flat bones. At birth, the human body has about 350 bones. By the time we become adults, some of our bones fuse together and we have 206 bones. The smallest bone in our body is found in our middle ear. The longest bone is the femur. It is found in our thighs. Now let's see bony quiz. Arrange the jumbled letters in the right order. This bony framework that gives shape to our body. This is skeleton. skeleton, skeleton. Number 2. Where 2 bones join together is called joint. joint, joint. When bones break or crack, it is called a fracture. fracture, fracture. Number 4. The heart and lungs are protected by a bony cage called rib cage. ribcage, rib cage. Now muscles help us move every part of our body. They help us walk, smile and even wink. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. When we are tense, our muscles become tight. Our brain controls all our muscles and makes them work. The smallest muscle present in our ears. The biggest muscle is present in our buttocks. Our tongue has 8 different kinds of muscles. Muscle quiz. Read the clues and fill in the blanks. Pick your answers from the help box. Number 1. Muscles of the heart have a special name. They are known as cardiac muscles. cardiac, cardiac muscles. You can copy the spelling from the help box. Number 2. When you show off the muscle of your upper arm, you are flexing your biceps. Biceps. Number 3. The strongest muscles in our body are present in the jaw. Number 4. When there is too much pressure on the muscles, it causes sprain. S-P-R-A-I-N, sprain. The next important page is page number 72. Quiz yourself. How many days does February have in a leap year? So February has 29 days in a leap year. Number 2. What is the capital of Bangladesh? The answer is the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Number 3. Which is the holy book of Muslims? Answer is Quran. Quran, Quran. Number 4. Which sense organ help us to feel touch? Answer is skin. Number 5. Whom does a veterinary doctor treat? Answer is animals are treated by veterinary doctor. Number 6. Which is the world's highest waterfall? That is Angel Falls. Now number 7. Find the odd one out. Tulip, lavender, hibiscus and kiwi. These are the flowers name and this kiwi is fruit. Now number 8. Which is the world's longest river? Answer is Nile is the longest river. Number 9. Which is the major mountain system found in North India? Answer is Himalayas are found in North India. Number 10 is which animal found in the Sundarbans includes the word Royal Bengal in its name? Answer is tiger. Next is which sport does Manchester United play? Answer is football. Number 12. Which is the world's largest country? Yes, world's largest country is Russia. Number 13. Which ocean is found to the south of India? Answer is Indian Ocean. Number 14. Which is the longest river flowing in India? The longest river flowing in India is Ganga River. Page number 73. Sporty quiz. Answer the following questions about popular sports. Number 1. How often are the Olympic Games held? So every 4 years Olympic Games are held. Number 2. In which city is the Wimbledon tournament held every year? Wimbledon tournament is held in London. Number 3. How often does the Cricket World Cup takes place? Cricket World Cup takes place every 4 years. Number 4 is which team won the Cricket World Cup in 2015? Answer is West Indies. Number 5. Which of the following is not an Olympic sport? Yes, cycling and swimming are Olympic sports and squash is not. Number 6. Who holds the world record for the highest number of Olympic medals in any sport? Answer is Michael Phelps. Now let's see tidbits also. The Commonwealth Games are held every 4 years. The first Commonwealth Games were held in 1930 in Canada. This is very important answer. In this way we have completed this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you once again.